Morning students, today we are going to discuss some optical instrument, and under this our first instrument is microscope. And you know that microscope is a instrument which is used to observe the very small object. So student, there are two type of microscope. One is your simple microscope, or we can say that this is your magnifying glass. Clear? And second, that is your compound microscope. You all know very much about this two type of the microscope. Clear? So first, that is your simple microscope or the magnifying glass. So student, a simple microscope consists of a single converging, that is your converging lens. Converging means that is convex lens. Converging lens of small focal length or high power. Focal length of any of your converging lens is small. If there is small focal length, it means that power is large, because we know that P, which is equal to 1 upon F. If the focal length is small, then power is more. Clear? It is also called the magnifying glass because it forms a magnified image of the object for a certain position of the object. It means that under this simple microscope we have see the image of a small object in a large view. Clear? So student, now the principle, it is based on the principle that when an object is placed between the optical center and principal focus. Optical center, yes, for MCQ, this question is for MCQ. When the object is placed at optical center and principal focus of a convex lens of small focal length, which type of the image is formed? A virtual, erect and magnified image is formed. This question is also in a form of your MCQ. Examiner put this question in your final exam maybe. So at least distance of distinct vision on the same side of that object. It means that here we take the lens that is convex in nature, small focal length, high power, and the object is placed between the center and the focus point. Clear? And then image formed is, yes, virtual, erect and magnifying. Clear? And this image formed at least distance of the distinct vision. So student, this is the ray diagram for your simple microscope. So first of all, here this is your simple convex lens and object that is AB. Object that is AB placed on the principal axis. So student, this is your optical center and this is the focus. So your object is in between F and C, or C and F. So when the image formed by the lens, that is, yes, that is your virtual, erect, and this is the image that is A dash B dash. A dash B dash, it is virtual in nature, erect, as well as your magnifying. As you see that the length of AB is smaller as compared to your A dash B dash. Clear? Okay. So when we calculate the magnifying power, so magnifying power of a simple microscope is defined as the ratio of the angle subtended by the image at the eye to the angle subtended by the object at the unaided eye when both are placed at least distance of distinct vision. Student, how we can calculate this or how we take this alpha and beta, that is your angle subtended, we will discuss in our online class. Clear? So magnifying power, that is M is equal to your beta upon alpha. Beta upon alpha means that ratio of the angle subtended by the image upon object. Angle subtended by the object. Clear? So student, it is very important to draw this diagram 2 or 3 times on your rough notebook. Clear? Thank you.